Have you ever came across to the situation where you have very big text file, say of more than 1,000 records in it, and you wanted to extract or copy certain lines with a specific word in it? Isn't it difficult task to copy each line? So for that, I have very quick tip. Hello everyone, this is Prashant, and in this tutorial we are going to see exactly this, how you can extract all the lines which has a certain text pattern in the series of Notepad++ tips. To watch all such tips of Notepad++, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's open Notepad++. So I have this file open in Notepad++, which has around 800 lines in it. So let's extract all the lines or copy all the lines from this file which has million word in it. So I'm going to write million in the find text box, go to the bookmark tab and select bookmark line checkbox over here. After that, just click on mark all. It will mark all the lines which has that million word in it. So around 182 matches have found. So they can be duplicate. I mean, in a single line there can be a multiple occurrences of this word. So we already have, if you see this blue dots on the left hand side, so this means that the line is bookmarked. So all the lines which has million word in it are bookmarked. So now you need to go to search menu and then go to bookmarks sub menu. From there you can either cut all those bookmarked lines or copy all of those bookmarked lines. So let's copy it. So all the lines which are bookmarked for this file are copied. Open a new tab or new file in Notepad++ by double clicking on this area and paste all the copied content from the clipboard. So if you see, around 130 lines have been copied in this new tab which has a multiple occurrences of word million. So isn't it a very simple and a quick way to find all the lines? I hope you like this video as well as this quick tip which can help you in your day-to-day work. I'm going to share more such Notepad++ tips in my future tutorials. So stay tuned until then, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Until then, bye bye.